How to compress a video on Android. Hey everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So for this, you have to go to Play Store and then download this application. Simply search for video compressor for Android and then install any of these compressor. So after that, as you can see in this instruction manual kind of image, you just have to upload videos in this application and then you have to select the resolution of the video on your own and simply compress it, and a new video, compressed video, will be uploaded. So yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.